Hey fellas. In this one, I'll be talking less, so, let's get into the video. In this one, I'll be showing you an easy trick, by which you will be able to access blocked websites, and that too, without the use of VPN applications. For this, the only requirement is Google Chrome. No any third-party sources are required to perform this action. Well, let's start it by navigating to the three dots, and then to the settings page. From there, look out for privacy and security option, tap on it. As you scroll down, you can see an option called Secure DNS. Tap on it. Okay. This is where you have to change the provider to Cloudflare 1.1.1.1. Do as I do, and voila! It'll be done. Here we've got some proofs, check this out, or either, skip it out. That's all for now. Well, it's really a small one, but I hope guys loved it. See you in another one. Till then, goodbye.